Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or constantly on edge? Stress affects your mind, body, and productivity in ways you might not even realize. But today, you'll learn 10 powerful, psychology-backed strategies to fight stress, regain control, and boost your mental health. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe for more mental health tips, share your story in the comments, and send this video to a friend who could use these stress relief techniques. First, practice mindful breathing. Deep, intentional breaths activate your parasympathetic nervous system, reduce cortisol, and calm your mind. Second, move your body. Even a short walk, stretching, or light exercise releases endorphins and relieves muscle tension. Third, try mindfulness meditation. Spending 10 minutes focusing on the present lowers anxiety and builds emotional resilience. Fourth, prioritize quality sleep. Poor sleep increases stress hormones and reduces your ability to handle challenges, so aim for 7 to 9 hours. Fifth, maintain a balanced diet. Foods rich in omega-3s, magnesium, and B vitamins support neurotransmitter production, stabilize mood, and improve focus. Sixth, limit caffeine and alcohol, as excess can worsen anxiety and disrupt natural stress responses. Seventh, organize your day and set clear priorities. Planning reduces overwhelm and helps you focus on what matters most. Eighth, engage in hobbies or creative activities. Painting, writing, cooking, or music stimulates positive emotions and provides a healthy outlet for stress. Ninth, connect with supportive people. Social interaction lowers cortisol, releases oxytocin, and strengthens mental resilience. 10th, seek professional support when needed. Therapy, counseling, or stress management programs provide tools to handle challenges, improve coping skills, and boost resilience. Stress is not a weakness. It's your body signaling that it needs care and balance. By applying these strategies, you can reduce anxiety, improve focus, and take charge of your mental health. Follow for more mental health guidance, share your story in the comments, and send this video to someone who needs these tips today. Every small step you take makes a difference.